One step closer than you know. Too much noise, you gotta go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. On today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some clothing items that I found recently on Amazon. Very affordable, curvy girl friendly. So I just figured I'd share with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy. I have two dresses, two pair of pants, and also a really cute kind of crop jacket that I'm going to show you guys. So I hope you guys stay tuned and stay till the end of the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this video. Lets me know that you guys want to see more. If you have any questions about any of the items, I'm going to put as much information as I can in the description box. But if you have any other questions, then just, leave them in the comment section below. So let's get started. The first one is a really cute sundress. This was like I was going on vacation and I didn't have time to like place my normal Fashion Nova order. So I just decided to order on Amazon. I have Prime, so it came in a couple of days. And I saw this, thought it was really cute. I was a little skeptical about like the material, but when I got it, tried it on, fits really, really good, as you guys can see. I'm gonna put the price and also what the name of the dress is called, all of the items on the screen for you guys, because I can't remember it all. But just know that I'm not cheap, but I'm a bargain shopper, especially with clothes, because for the most part, like I'll wear them a couple of times, but you know how it is. You take a picture in something, it's kind of like, well, took a picture in that, I can't really re-wear it, especially to like events, but basically, I really like this dress. It comes all the way down, floor length, all the way to the floor. You guys can't see, but I'll put a little clip so you guys can see the full length. So it's basically dragging on the floor. I'm 5'4", so 5'5". So, I think I'm pretty much average. And also normally, with my hips, sometimes, it's hard to find something that's kind of like dragging on the ground, because my hips kind of make it come up a little bit, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, so let's get to the dress. The material is like it's kind of like that shiny material that you'll get from like Shein or something like that, but it's not cheap. It's not see-through. I like it. If you kind of look at under here, it's white up under. So it's comfortable, it's breathable. It's not like, it's not hot or anything like that. It's perfect for, like I said, a vacation, or just, you buy it to go to a cookout, or you just want to look cute. I really like the off the shoulder. I'm kind of really into that right now. It helps show off, it's kind of sexy, but still, classy. It does have a zipper right here on the side. I usually don't really use it just because I kind of just put it over my head and I don't really need to like unzip, but maybe if you buy a little bit of a tighter size, maybe that'll help you get into it. I'm not sure. I will say, as far as sizing, I'm going to put the size that I brought so you guys, as you can see how it fits on me. I like the way it fits because it's not too tight, and also when I walk, I don't really have to worry about it sliding up, just because it has a little bit extra room than I would normally buy. I want to say it's probably like a large, maybe an extra large, but I could technically size down just because I do have, I think, a good amount of room in it, especially on the waist. But if you're not new here, that's just an issue that I have. I'm used to it. But anyway, but I really like the way it fits. In the back, like I said, you know, it's a little extra room in the waist area, but nothing, I don't think it's really taking away from the dress, making it look like, you know, not nice. So I hope you guys like this one. Let me know in the comment section which of these outfits or just what you think about each one. Okay guys, so the next item is a pair of pants. I have two different colors in these that I'm going to show you guys. I have these red ones, and then I also have like a tan color. These are a little risque. They are business in the front. They just look like regular flare pants, but then in the back it's a low V scrunch. I'm gonna put a side by side. I'll show you guys kind of like the side of them. I'm not gonna do a full back, but it is very low. Like I said, it's a low V cut, so it cuts here. This is a crop top, so that's kind of why, you know, I gotta show them a little bit of my back. But I will say, you cannot wear underwear with these. Just, you know, I'm just letting you guys know. These are like I said, it's a risque. It's a statement piece, pair of statement pants. I actually wore these to the airport. Me and my husband went on when we went on vacation. But they're extremely comfortable. The material is kind of like it's very stretchy. I want to say these are probably a large. I'll put the size on the screen. The only con I would say about these pants is just that as I walk, I feel like I'm constantly pulling them up, and that's kind of like a pet peeve of mine with really any pants, with leggings or anything like that. Maybe if I sized up, maybe I wouldn't have to too much. I don't know. But you know, if you size up, then you don't really get that, you know, the fitted look, like, especially for me, like it wouldn't really be that fitted to my waist. So, but you know, they are what they are. They're, like I said, a statement piece. I wanted to try them out. I saw a lot of, you know, girls on like YouTube and Instagram wearing these type of pants, and I was like, I wonder what they would, you know, if I could even, if I'm being honest, I didn't think that I would be able to put them on, just because, you know, I have a bigger bottom, and I really didn't think that it would come up basically high enough. But, you know, like I said, they really do. They come up. It's like literally right above, you know, the butt. So, yeah. So, like I said, I hope you guys like these. Let me know in the comment section if you guys would risk it and wear something like this. I like to pair it with a crop top, just, you know, because like I said, if you're going to go for it. You know, show a little belly. And I'll show you guys it in the other color. Actually, I think they have a lot of colors in these. I'll just put the link, and then you guys can look for yourself to see. Okay guys, so same pants, different color, just like I said. This is more like a tan, so it's a little more, you know, neutral, can go with everything. Black shirt, any shirt. Sometimes I have this green shirt. I've worn this outfit together. Really, everything, the quality, everything is the same with a different color. Like I said, same thing, you know. Same pros, same cons. I don't really have anything else I can say about it. The only other thing I want to show you, well, it's two more things, but with this, sometimes I pair this jacket. Actually, I've paired it with a couple different things, but I got this jacket. My husband actually has this jacket. He got it from, I forgot where he got it from, but I was looking on Amazon for a jacket, because, you know, like I said, this was literally an entire vacation purchase, basically. I like went on Amazon. I was like, okay, what am I going to wear to the airport? And I said, okay, this is, you know, let me look for a little crop jacket. And this came up, and it's crazy because this is literally identical to my husband's jacket, but he got it from somewhere else. So I was like, you know what? We could have a little twin moment, and we didn't do it, but we gonna plan for it to do it because he want to get some shoes to go with his. But yeah, so I got this, and I was like, well, let me try it out. And as you guys can see, it is so cute. I'll show you guys like a kind of like a close-up on the side here of like the material. It's like high quality to me. It feels like it. Inside is just like a regular jacket material. It's cropped, like I said. You know, I want to say this is a large on me. The sleeves are the tad is bit too short, but I do have longer arms than normal. But you know, so that's not really an issue to me though. Like I said, it's not like too much, but you know, if you like this, it's a little, maybe if I went one size up, but I feel like I like this look, cause it's kind of like flowy. I really wouldn't button it up, but you know, it's really cute. Fits perfect to me. Just something to kind of like spice up an outfit. Like as you can see right here, like I got my basic pants on, a little crop, you know, shirt. Put this together in 2 seconds, but then you throw this jacket on and it makes it look like, you know, a little higher quality kind of. And then, you know, pair it with, pick a color. Any color off of here, just some black shoes, some black sneakers. You know, you could really, you know, get creative with it. Sometimes I've worn, I have a pair of burgundy boots, and I've paired it with this before. So, you know, you can get, or you can even just pair your purse with it. So, you know, like I said, so many different ways to dress this up or dress it down. I've worn, if you guys didn't see my 2-piece sets video from Fashion Nova, that was, I put that up before this, I believe, one video before this, and I'll throw this on top of it, and that's kind of like more of a dressier look. So, you know, either way, I really, really like it. So, I want to say this jacket was a little more than I would spend, but it's a jacket, so it was like $45, I think $45, $50. But like I said, it's a jacket, so you can, you know, pair it with so many different things. It's not really like the dress or something where I said that, you know, I really try not to spend too much on clothes, but yeah, so let me know what you guys think. And I have one last one, really sexy dress, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, last but definitely not least is this sexy dress number. As you can see, it is very revealing, very risque. It's definitely a statement though, because when you walk, you know, the dress just kind of moves with you, you know, could, you know, move in certain ways that maybe might be a little, you got to take a risk with this one, but I think it's worth it. You can wear maybe like a bodysuit under if you're a little, you know, worried about having a little bit of a slip up or something like that, or just walk slow, you know, walk slow and glide, you know, when you're walking. I really, really like this a lot. I actually have one that I got from Fashion Nova. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think I did a video on it. It was blue, like a royal blue color. So I saw this on Amazon and I was like, oh, okay, let me try that. Pretty much the same thing. I wouldn't be surprised if it's from the same supplier. But yeah, I really like this. I really want to get more colors. The back doesn't have any slits at all. The back is just fully covered, so that's a good thing. From the top to the bottom, it's fully covered, so you know, you don't really have to worry about the front and the back. You just gotta, you know, walk slowly in the back. This is literally, there's no coverage right here, so like I said, as you walk, you know, you got to be a little careful. And sitting down, I think walking, I haven't really had any issues when I wear these type of dresses, but it's more so like the sitting down, or that you kind of got to worry about, or if, like, you know, maybe you go out somewhere and you start kind of dancing and stuff like that, you might, you know, you got to be a little extra careful, kind of hold on. What I do is I'll hold like this and this together, and then, you know, you can kind of do your little two-step like that. Otherwise, or if you have, like I said, maybe, you know, like a bodysuit under, or even like, maybe you can get away with like some boy shorts, but I just feel like because where this kind of stops at, unless you hike it up, because you could do that. I guess you could do that. You could wear your boy shorts and then, but then on the sides, kind of hike it up so that they sit up here versus showing down here, because you're going to take away from the look of the dress. Like I said, if you aren't willing to take the risk, you know, and just wear it, you know, and be confident in it, don't even get this dress. Don't even waste your money. But I think it is definitely worth it to get this. I believe they have a lot of other colors in this, but I love this brown. It comes all the way down to the floor. I threw on a pair of heels because, you know, I wanted to kind of do the dress justice, you know, kind of show off, you know, make you guys imagine what it would look like. Because, like I said, it's a statement piece. I probably could have sized down in this, just because it is a little loose, and kind of, especially like up here, it's a little loose. So maybe I could have sized down, but, you know, like I said, that could also take away from the flowiness of it, or it may become a little more risque, because then it'll be kind of fitted here versus flowy. So I don't know. I'll have to, maybe the next one that I get, I'll size down, especially because I'm on a weight loss journey. So I'm kind of going to be in the market soon for a full-blown, hopefully, new wardrobe. You guys will see it. I'll take you guys with me, trust me. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Out of everything, this is probably, I can't say that this is my favorite, just because I really like the flower dress. Really, I think all of this is great. I think that each piece is for a different occasion. The flower dress is, you know, like I said, you're kind of just, really, you can wear the flower dress anywhere. You can wear it for date night. You can wear it going out with the kids somewhere, you know, to the park. The only thing is just, you know, it dragging on the ground. This is definitely sexy date night, make a statement, wedding. I wore my blue one to a wedding before, you know, but I wouldn't wear this out with the kids. And then, of course, the pants, you know, like I told you, you can dress those up, dress them down, sneakers, heels, whatever you want to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoyed all of them. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. That's pretty much it. So thank you for watching if you made it this far, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Yeah, I know I'm good, but I'm getting better. Like wine, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be up in my face.